In previous class, we have seen about the author Shakespeare, about the play Tempest, and also we have seen the characters of this play. Today, we will see the summary of the play The Tempest. Now, let's see the summary of the play The Tempest. The play begins with a ship at sea caught in the middle of a violent storm. Who are all there in the ship is Antonio, the Duke of Milan, and the brother of Prospero, Alonso, the King of Naples, Ferdinand, Prince of Naples, Gonzalo, Stefano, and Trinculo. On the other hand, Prospero and Miranda are standing on the shore of the island and watching the shipwreck. Miranda is a very kind hearted girl who tells Prospero that no one should be harmed in the shipwreck. Prospero assures her that no one in the ship is harmed. Then Prospero tells Miranda about his life before 12 years and explains her how the two of them came to live on this island. Prospero was the Duke of Milan and he was very famous for his intelligence. Gradually, his interest in politics reduced and he focused and spent all his energies and time in studies. He put his trust on his brother Antonio and allowed him to manage the kingdom for many years. But his brother Antonio wanted more. He took advantage of this situation and joined hands with the King of Naples to steal his kingdom and wealth and dethrone Prospero. And Antonio decided not to kill Prospero but to exile him. As a result, Prospero and Miranda have to run away from the enemies to avoid death. Antonio carried Prospero and Miranda on a ship, and when they were some leagues out at sea, Antonio forced Prospero and his daughter Miranda into a small boat without either tackle, sail, or mast. The loyal lord of Prospero's court, Gonzalo, he could do nothing to save Prospero, but he could help him. With that, Gonzalo secretly placed some fresh water, food, clothes, and also he placed Prospero's magical books in the boat. So when Miranda was a baby, Prospero escaped death from his kingdom, that is from the dukedom, and came to this remote island. The island that they were cast off to was a magical island. 3 years, the island was under the spell of a dead witch, Sycorax. He had imprisoned all the good spirits inside the trunks of trees on the island. One of those spirits was Ariel. This was an interesting opportunity for Prospero, since he was a great magician. It turns out that when Antonio was managing the kingdom, Prospero was fully into the study of magic. He set out on quest of freeing these spirits and was successful. He kept the spirits obedient to his will but treated them relatively fairly. The one spirit he treated badly was named Caliban. Caliban was the son of wicked old witch Sycorax. Caliban was a savage, horrible monster. In 12 years, Prospero has become a very powerful magician with lots of power. It is actually Prospero and Ariel who have caused the tempest or violent storm so that Prospero could bring his enemies to the island.